In this video, I'm going to show range of motion. The first thing I would do would be knock on the door. Hi, Sarah. My name is Kate. I'm going to be your nurse today. I'm going to sanitize my hands. So I'm just going to do some range of motion exercises with you. Okay, Sarah? Does that sound like a good plan? Okay, so I would first do the arm. I would make sure that I have support of the joints, and we'd go up, down. Let me know if this hurts anywhere. No? Okay. And we'll do the other arm. Any pain? No? Okay. 2, 3. Okay, and then we're going to do the legs. Gaining support, we're going to just bend your knee and go up and back out. Does that hurt? No. One more time. Any pain? No? Okay. Supporting them, bending it one more on this side. Bending. Does that hurt? No? Okay. And then we're just going to do some with your neck, so I'm not going to go too far. Let me know if you feel any pain or discomfort, okay? I'm going to go this way. Any pain? No pain, Sarah? Okay, good. 2 more times. Okay, thank you, Sarah. That's it for right now. Do you need anything at this moment? No? Okay. Well, here's your call light and your water. Let me know if you need anything, okay? I'd sanitize my hands and leave the room.